Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix Roblox voice data using option not showing. Okay, open your Play Store and tap on search bar and search Roblox apps. Already updated apps. Go back, tap on Roblox apps and tap on Roblox info. Scroll down, tap on storage and tap on clear cache and clear data. Then tap on permission, allow the all permission and go back and open your Roblox apps and tap on more option. Scroll down, then select setting option and tap on privacy and content restriction and tap on communication and tap on voice data using solve your problem. Thanks for watching my video.